Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing hood right here in my hand, and basically what these are is some socks by the Adidas brand right here. Obviously there's a lot of other brands out there available, and they actually probably have other socks from this brand as well. But the one that I got right here is compression socks that has that cushion that you want for like all day usage, or if you guys are just using for training. These are definitely super awesome as well. So me, I actually been using the Nike training sock for a really long time that also has like the moisture wicking design and also the cushion as well. That's very similar to this one right here, but never tested or tried like Adidas socks before, so this is my first time. So I'm actually open this up first and try it out and see how it feels. Alright, so this is basically what the packaging looks right here. If you can see, it looks amazing and feels amazing as well. The way how they designed the product itself right here is the fact that it's supposed to have that compression to hold it up, so that way it doesn't slide down. And also will give you guys that arch support that's needed for your ankle area and also your Achilles as well. They mentioned the material that you use on here is like a superior yarn, and basically what the benefits of using that material is the fact that it gives you guys that comfort and softness for the actual sock itself. And supposedly the material that you use on here is supposed to increase the durability and the lifetime of the actual socks as well. But definitely the overall product itself is supposed to give you guys that all day cushion that you need. If you guys are standing on your feet all day, or you guys are doing training, working out or whatever, these are supposed to be really helpful in those scenarios. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually open up and try it out and show you guys what it actually looks like and how it feels first. Alright, so once we take out the sock right here, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like on this side, and then this is what it looks like on this side right here. When I feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely feels like it has a very good cushion onto it, like throughout the product itself. Not just this part, not just this part, and not just this part. Actually everywhere has a very nice cushion to it. I definitely feel a lot more cushion in the bottom part, which is super nice if you guys are on your feet a lot. And you definitely feel the compression on here as well. That's pretty stretchable as well. But let's put it on and show you guys what it actually looks like first before we talk more about the product itself. Alright, so right here I got the Adidas socks. Let's put it on all the way. Alright, so once we have it on, it should look something like this. So this is what it looks like on this side right here. Here's the back part, here's this side, and then here's the front part. So the moment I put on the socks itself, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely has that comfort and also support throughout the socks as well. Like I mentioned, on the bottom part, it definitely feels a lot more like cushion or like that support that feels really nice and really soft. But when I actually feel the side right here as well, it definitely has that compression dimensions to actually hold it up, so that way it won't slide down as easy, which is pretty nice. I can definitely feel the material on here is pretty nice, especially if you guys are like standing on your feet all day, if you guys are sweating a lot, if you're doing any kind of physical activity like sports or whatever. These are also pretty nice as well. If you guys want to use these casually, you can definitely use it as well. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. If you can see, definitely looks amazing and feels amazing. Very comparable to like the Nike socks that I have, but I like these a lot because it's not too high for the socks as well. It's just a good amount that looks pretty cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So that's all the quick test of the product itself. As you can see, it actually works pretty well. Everything about the product itself definitely feels really nice. It definitely gives you guys that nice design and also give you guys that support and comfort that you want on the actual product itself as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that these socks are actually really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for new comfortable socks that give you guys that cushion, has the moisture wicking, and I believe these are also sweat resistant up to a certain extent. So if you guys plan on using this for like daily uses, if you guys are on your feet a lot, if you guys sweat a lot, if you guys are doing physical workouts or physical activities, then these are pretty nice and definitely super worth it in my case so far as a first-hand perspective. But we definitely have to test it out over time and see how well it performs. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.